Okay, so this is a queen strip view room at the Cromwell. This is it's actually a really nice room. We never stayed here before. This room is quite small. Looking at the map of the hallway, they all seem to be the same size. Strip is here. We have the furthest down room all the way to the end. So this is the worst strip view you can get. So this at least gives you an idea of anything, because you're going to get the strip view is going to be this or better. But yeah, looking around, two very comfortable queen beds. They are quite soft, so if you like your bed softer, perhaps this is the place for you. Personally, I prefer a firm mattress. One unit between the two rooms. Just to note, it is very dark in here. It's the middle of the day, all the lights are on, but it is still very dark, so it's just that type of property. All the furniture's dark. You can see the dark reds, the dark wooden floor. Swinging around, you've got some artwork, your front door, and your entertainment units, TV, and mini bar down there, creaky, and some additional storage. This looks like it used to have, like, I'm guessing a tea and coffee or something, but it's empty now, nothing there. There's also a small couch just at the end there. There's a full-length mirror there, which is interesting. I'll show you why in a minute. And then swinging round, we have a nice big closet. Again, plenty of storage. Your iron board there, iron, and there's a hairdryer in there, if you can see that. I do hope this is coming through. It is very dark in here. I mean, I can see fine, it's just obviously the camera creates less light. Vanity mirror there. I do like the way they've done this room out and the general decor and decoration. It is very cool. When we walked in the room for the first time, we instantly had that, yeah, we like this. We like the room. It's a little bit tired. You can see areas where it's tired, but so this is the view. I'll show you that at the end. As I said, this is the worst strip view you can get, so it's going to be this or better. But coming around into the bathroom, there is a separate toilet in there and window that does open. You've got your sink area and your products. And then your shower, really nice size shower, really big. And this is the reason I said that mirror is interesting, is I think it's a two-way mirror, because when you're that side, you can kind of see back into the shower, but you can't see back out from here, so. There we go, stand back. But yeah, really, really nice, nicely done room. It is not big at all, it's very small. But you know, you are bang in the middle of the strip in the Cromwell. We're on the 7th floor, which I think there's only one above this, I think. So this is also probably going to be the highest. This is going to be, as I said, the highest, worst view of the strip. So if you get a strip view, it's going to be better than this, I would imagine, unless you're quite low down. But this is it. We're next to Bally's. You can see the fountain. So even in this worst room, you can see the fountain. The sun is glaring in there, so I'm sorry if that's hard to see. You can't get out here. You can open this, but it's all bolted shut, so you can't get out into the onto the balcony there. But in the toilet, there is this window you can open to give you an idea of what you can see. As I said, you can see the Bellagio fountains from here. But there we go, that is it. So a queen strip view room at the Cromwell. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. But until then, we'll see you next time. Bye for now.